Yo, what's up everybody? Listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on you. We're talking about London, London in the springtime. You don't need a trust fund to experience the best of London this spring. You can have an epic London adventure without draining your bank account. We're uncovering hidden gems, local spots, and budget-friendly hacks that'll make you feel like a total travel pro. So if you're ready to ditch the tourist traps and experience London like a true Londoner, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's do this thing!
Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Everyone thinks London is crazy expensive, right? Like, I need to sell a kidney to afford a coffee expensive. And yeah, it can be pricey, especially during peak season, but London on a budget is totally doable, my friends. You just got to know where to look. Think vibrant street markets with delicious food for a fraction of the price, free museums packed with history and culture, and sprawling parks that rival any expensive botanical garden. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what you can discover when you break free from the tourist bubble. First up, let's talk freebies. London is bursting with incredible, totally free things to do. Think world-class museums like the British Museum, the Tate Modern, the National Gallery, all free, all amazing. Then there are the parks. Hyde Park, Regent's Park, Greenwich Park. These aren't just patches of grass, people. These are sprawling green oases in the heart of the city. And speaking of sunshine, spring in London means one thing: cherry blossoms. Head down to Kensington Gardens or Regent's Park for an Instagram-worthy explosion of pink.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Now, if you're looking for a truly unforgettable spring experience, you got to check out Kew Gardens. Yeah, it's technically not free, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Imagine this: 300 acres of botanical gardens bursting with exotic plants, flowers from around the world, towering glass houses, and a breathtaking display of spring blooms. Seriously, it's like stepping into another world. Wander through the Palm House, get lost in the Bamboo Garden, or marvel at the Victorian Temperate House, the largest Victorian glass house in the world. It's a photographer's dream, a nature lover's paradise, and an absolute must-see during spring in London. Pro tip: book your tickets online in advance for a discounted price.
So there you have it. London on a budget isn't just a pipe dream, it's totally achievable by taking advantage of the city's incredible free attractions. Embracing the street food scene and being smart with your transportation, you can experience the best of London without breaking the bank. Do you really want to spend your hard-earned cash on overpriced tourist traps? Or would you rather invest in experiences, in memories, in truly discovering the heart and soul of this amazing city? The choice is yours, my friend.
But trust me, London on a budget is an adventure waiting to happen. And there you have it, your roadmap to conquering London without emptying your wallet. Remember, it's all about being savvy, adventurous, and a little bit hungry for both experiences and delicious street food. If you found these tips helpful, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. And hey, while you're at it, why not share your own budget-friendly London discoveries in the comments below? Let's build a community of savvy travelers sharing tips, tricks, and stories from our adventures around the world. Until next time, peace out.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie, putting this video together made me miss London like crazy. Walking those streets, soaking up the energy, that feeling of endless possibility is contagious. But here's the thing, you don't have to just dream about it, you can make it happen. London is calling, it's calling your name. Book that flight, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure. Be smart, be curious, and most importantly, be present. This is your story, your adventure. Go make it epic. Peace.